Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. This is the spring box. This is the third or fourth box I've gotten. I don't remember for sure, but I haven't opened it yet. I've just opened the tape, and if you hear something squeaking, it's my chair. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, so I'm gonna get into the box and we're gonna get started. So if you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. They come 4 times a year, and it's $49.99 a box. And every single box comes with, I believe, over $200 in product. It might be more, I believe. So yeah, let me get this moved. There we go. All right, so every box comes with a magazine, just like this. Each one is a little bit different. They all have somebody different on the cover, and every single one comes with a page that is devoted to everything that's in the box and stuff like that. So I am going to go to that page just to tell you guys the prices of everything as we go. Okay, so I'm on the page that tells you the different options that you could have in your box, or if you are like a select member, you get to choose different things and stuff like that. So I'm gonna move my box a little bit just so I can have a little bit more room here. Okay. Okay, awesome. So first thing I see here, let me get it open. All right, so it looks like we have some sunglasses. They aren't exactly my style, but I definitely will wear them because I need some sunglasses. And that is by the brand Quay Australia, and it is the style, there's 2 different style options on here, but I got the Vivian in Black Smoke, and these are worth $60. So I'm gonna put these back on. Yeah, these are definitely not exactly my style, but I am gonna definitely wear them. So they also come with a little travel case like this that says the brand at the bottom. They are really cute. They're just not exactly my style, but you'll definitely see me in these on like my Instagram story. So yeah. Next, let me see. We have the 2 bandits. I think it's a necklace. Let me see. Yeah, it's the Athens necklace, and this is worth $30. There we go. Yeah, this is really cute. It's like really simple and dainty, and I don't wear much. I can't get the answer to that on Apple Watch. Anyway, it's like really simple and dainty, and I don't wear much jewelry, but I would definitely wear this. It isn't too much, and it would like just look really nice. Okay. Next we have leave-in conditioner by the brand Y, I think is how it's pronounced. Let me see. It is worth, I can find it, $26. That's what that looks like. This might be really good for my hair. I have pretty curly hair. It's actually pretty tamed right now. I let it air dry today and it is kind of a mess. It's really super frizzy and awful. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get this open for a while. They've really packaged this thing in here. Like, it is completely like, okay. I'm gonna see if it smells good. I have a few things from this brand. I've got like a curl mist, I think. Oh, that doesn't smell good at all. It smells like chemicals. I don't know, we'll see. I'll try it and I'll see if I like it. I'm very picky about what goes in my hair, so we will see. Next, we have Levito Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion in the scents Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot. Let me see. This is worth $19. Let me smell it. Let me get the packaging off. Oh, that is nice. Put some on. Ooh. It doesn't feel too like wet. You know when those lotions literally feel like, as you're rubbing them in, it feels like water, you know, like it doesn't quite dry. Yeah, this isn't like that. That's nice. I really like this. It's not too strong. It doesn't give me a headache. Most of the time, citrus smells or like orange smells give me migraines and make me really sick. They make me nauseous and I hate it. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. I really like that. I might have to stay in my purse. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also have a HelloFresh $50 gift card. This comes in every single box and it is extremely useful. We use HelloFresh and I don't know where I would be without this because HelloFresh is so expensive. This saves your life. This itself is worth more than the box. Yeah, so even with all this other stuff that makes the box, I mean, like, this and this is worth over $100. The box is only $50. What the heck? Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, sorry, forgot about that. Next, it is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Facial Cleanser. This thing's huge. I didn't think this was gonna be a like a face cleanser. This thing's bigger than my big head. I'm gonna smell it. I gotta know stuff about this. So it has probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. It kind of smells good. Oh, it kind of smells good, yeah. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna hope it doesn't break me out because everything likes to break me out. So we'll see if I like this. I have a really, really set in stone skincare routine. So adding new things in is hard for me to do, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yes. Next, we have the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. I'm gonna look at this. And this is worth $42. It says, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct. This may not be useful to me. I don't really, it kind of comes off. Yeah, it definitely is. Has a color to it. I'm probably gonna give this to someone in my family who might actually really get some use out of this. My stepmom is always looking for stuff like this, so I really think she'll like this. Yeah. And next we have Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This is $24 and it is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. Okay. Let me get some of the oh, that smells like bubble gum. Wow. If anybody else has this and they think I'm crazy because it smells like bubble gum, I can't be the only one who thinks that smells exactly like bubble gum. That is the best smell I've ever smelled in my life. Also, this box is so big, it's like knocking things off my makeup desk. There goes my chair again. I could just smell this all day. Okay, I have to move on. I have to move on. Okay, and last, I think, is the Unplug Meditation. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's an aromatherapy. Aromatherapy, is that the word? Aromatherapy, yeah, diffuser. Okay, and this is the smell, or the scent Happy Orange. Like I said, orange smells, I don't like them. It smells like orange soda. It's not bad. I don't know, that might be too strong. Let me see it. We have a diffuser already. We don't use it too often. This looks like an egg. Ours is like different colors and like, well, it can be different colors. Ours is like big and, I don't know, bulky. This one is little. Let me see. Oh, this one does change colors. This one also connects to your phone. I saw there was a phone on here, but I just thought it was for meditation. No, never mind. This is just for meditation. Never mind. Sorry. I lied. Okay, so this is just an aromatherapy. That word doesn't sound right now. You know, whenever a word like just doesn't seem like a real word because you said it too many times or something? That's how aromatherapy feels right now. Like I feel like it's just wrong. I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is just an aromatherapy diffuser. Yeah. And I'm sorry, it is worth $55. Holy crap. And I can't close it. It's too smart for me. Oh wait, did I close it? I did. I'll use this. I'll see if we get more use out of this than our other one. I don't see why we would, but you never know. Maybe one for in our room, maybe one for the living room. No, we'll see. But yeah, so that is my spring FabFitFun box. I'm really excited for almost every single thing in it. I know I'm just waving this around. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want $10 off of your first FabFitFun box, click the link in my description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.